Okay, so this is my second time on Isla's channel, and I'm about to prank her ass right now. I'm at a casino because I just ate with my friend.
Hey, hold on.
Stop. And I'm on my way to Isla's house. I got her whole family in on this shit. We're about to prank her. We're about to ignore her. We're about to prank Isla's ass and make her think that her car got stolen. So stay tuned, and I'll be there at our house in 20 minutes. Okay, honestly guys, it's getting kind of dark, so I'm getting worried that I won't be able to film all of this. I'm currently speeding in my car because this shit is gonna be so funny. Trust me when I say this, she is not expecting this. She thinks that I'm coming from eating with my friend. She thinks that we're supposed to record the spicy noodle challenge, but I thought instead I'm gonna get her ass just because she's never been pranked before. But I'm not gonna lie, I'm getting concerned because it is extremely dark outside. I'm currently driving, I'm like shaking because I'm so nervous, but let's get it. This is the first prank that's gonna be on her channel. I'm hoping it all goes perfect because I'm new to YouTube as well, but let's get her ass. Okay, you guys, it's getting really dark. I know it's getting hard to see me. I'm still driving, but I'm pulling up to her house. Oh my god, my heart is beating so fast, you guys. My heart is beating so fast. My heart is beating so fast. Oh my god, my heart is beating so fast. Okay. Ah, good. Okay, here we go. I'm so scared, you guys. You have no fucking idea. I'm legitimately so scared right now. Oh my god. I'm here. Stay tuned.
A few moments later.
I've been vlogging.
Are you vlogging?
Yes.
What are you doing? Like, okay.
That's what you're supposed to do, is vlog. I didn't even know you were here.
Why do you look like a Naruto character?
Damn, I didn't even know you were home. Where's your car?
What do you mean? Where's my car?
Your car's not outside.
Damn, you're lying.
Are you serious?
I swear.
You're lying.
I saw that when we came in. Can you check?
Excuse me, how does someone steal?
Wait, what are you guys talking about? Wait, what? Isla, where'd you park? No, seriously, I don't see your car. I swear to God. On God, I don't see your car. I thought you weren't here. That's why I didn't tell you I was here. Hi, Mia. You want to say hi to the camera? Isla, where are your keys? Where? On everything I love, your car is not outside.
Well, I remember today I had keys on.
Isla, I swear on everything I love, your car is not out there. I thought you weren't home. Wait, where did you park? Damn, where's your car? Isla, you're lying.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
Keke, on God?
My hands are shaking.
So like Keke came over and she was like, "On God, where's your car?" And I'm like, "On God, where's my car?" Because it's gotta be out here.
Where the fuck is my car?
I'm not kidding.
Yes, you are.
Yo, bro, I'm not kidding.
Okay, so where the hell's my car? Bro, I swear to God, if my car's stolen, I'm gonna fight someone. Yo, where's my car? Oh.
I'm not kidding. Because the keys are right here, and I know for a fact all day I have the keys. Did you not? Because it was in Westy.
How you? What do you think?
I have his keys in Wesley's drawer, Mom.
And then when we
And
came
when
home,
we came home, and you know how I know for a fact I went into my car? Because that's my car charger.
What time did you guys come home?
Oh.
Walmart.
Yeah, you guys went to Walmart around
did you see the
like...
car?
I didn't even notice because we just went.
Well, now I gotta call the cops. If it's really stolen, because I...
Where did you park it?
Literally across the street.
Bro, ask your dad.
I look in
Yeah,
your
let's
Ask your
that.
dad. Like, what if...
Because what if you call the cops and dad knows you?
Or like, yeah, we're
Because
dude, no, I'm not kidding.
I
I had to get my car charger, so that means it was there this morning before we left. And then,
have you drove today?
no, I didn't drive because I was about to go to Walmart, and then Ira and Mommy were at Walmart, so instead I just called them to like see if they could find the noodles, remember? And that's why I
Is the
said,
car there then?
I don't know, I did just walk outside. I parked it across the street. Tino, you're crossing. Did you steal my goddamn Tino?
I did it.
I swear to God.
Are you doing this for content, Keke? Because it's not funny. I'm gonna call the cops. I'm gonna call the cops. Oh my god, I'm taking a video right now. Are you lying?
I'm eating!
Keke, did one of you steal my? I'm taking a video right now. Did you steal my goddamn Tino?
I did it. I did it.
Dad! Are you serious? You haven't seen my car?
What about it?
Are you guys kidding?
Why?
It's not there.
What do you mean it's
It was there today.
What?
It's not outside. Are you guys serious? Like, you guys aren't joking?
Oh my god, I can't do this anymore. She's gonna call the cops. We have to stop it.
Go to hell. I heard that. I went up to Dad.
My heart hurts so bad. I've never pranked.
Who did it? I knew it. Seriously, you could have seen my reaction.
She knew. Everyone knew.
You guys.
Well,
Can you mix it, please?
how does it feel to be pranked the first time ever in your life?
Dude, that was so good though, because I for real started to question it. I said, yo, maybe someone's got a vendetta. Maybe it's because I posted that video of us and we're like, hey, look at our
Yes, Team Keke right here. I'm pranking you on your own channel. You should be ashamed.
Why are you filming?
I was in on it, got him. Let's go get your car before it really does get stolen.
I ran upstairs and said, Dad.
Wait, Dino, you have to come with us. We don't know where it is. Let's go get our car. It's super dark out here. I don't think we're gonna record.
Dude, I was out here like, bro, if my car got actually stolen.
The moment you start catching on, I was like, okay, she cannot catch me recording. She cannot. And then I was like, there's nowhere to hide the camera. I was like looking. I was like, she's gonna see it anywhere. I didn't know what to prank you. Like, I was like, what should I do? And I was like, her car. All this was last minute. I just thought about it. I was like, I'm about to prank her ass, bro.
Dude. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh god. I was so scared. I was like,
Did your dad know?
Yeah, I told him.
okay, because Dad was acting all tripped. He said, what do you mean? And I said, what do you mean, Dad? Both of y'all got me fucked up. Bro, I for real was like, I'm gonna call the cops now. Because I'm really about to call the cops. You're like, I mean, if it's stolen, I was like, fuck. It really is stolen. I know my mom wouldn't let me call the cops. I was like, no. I'm a little shook right now, like you do it.
Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.
And I guess this is her channel now because she owned me.
I just pranked her ass on her own channel. But thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned because I was first of many. I don't even care if this is her channel. I don't give a fuck. Make sure you turn your post notifications on. And thank you guys for watching.